My name is Suraj Gupta and I'm registered teacher and founder of this amazing platform called Trio Teachers, where we are connecting and building the community of teachers, students and institutes. Now this video is specifically for academic and non-academic teachers. That means if you are in teaching background, even if you are in college, if you are interested in teaching, let's suppose you want to do some part-time teaching job or you want to do some freelance teaching job, then this video is for you and you can continue to watch this video. In this video, I am going to tell you 6 major reasons why you should register and create your profile on our platform called Trio Teachers. So let's begin. Now let me tell you what are those 6 reasons why you should register and create profile on our platform. The first reason is teacher testimonial. The second reason is get inquiry and teach n number of students. The third reason is no commission. The fourth reason is 1 year subscription plan. The fifth reason is no profit, full refund, and the last and sixth reason is full educational support for teachers. Now I'm going to elaborate each one of these one by one, talking about what exactly portfolio is. So let's suppose if I am a teacher and I have created and registered as a teacher on Trio Teachers platform. So my name would be there, my experiences would be there, why I want to be a teacher would be there, my 2 to 3 minute video, demo video would be there, my profile picture would be there. So it would be a kind of teacher profile, teacher portfolio would be there in the website. That means I have created my portfolio, or you can say testimonials, and even students can come and visit the website and they can give the rating to the teacher. So let's suppose if I have taught more than 100 students, so those 100 students will give me the rating, how I have taught them, what was their experiences with me. They can even write it also. Right now, let me tell you what is the meaning of get inquiry and teach n number of students. So let's suppose if there is a student who has some inquiry of any subject, right? So there are lots of students who will come on the website of Trio Teachers and they will book their classes online or offline. That means on the basis of your profile, it totally depends how good your profile is. So you need to make sure your profile should be amazing, right? So on the basis of profile, students will book the class and there is no limitations. In 1 year plan, you can get more than 100 students as well. So that is the reason why we have put n means it's variable. It can be 1, 2, 10, 100 and even more than 100, right?
Go register and create your profile as a teacher. The link of a video is given in the description where we have explained each and everything step by step. You just need to follow the step. It will not take more than 5 minutes. Just follow the step and you will be registered teacher of Trio Teachers. Thank you.
Moving towards third point, that is no commission. There are lots of consultant in the market who are actually charging lots of amount for any kind of teaching jobs, right? So we are actually connecting teachers, students and institutes. So let's suppose there is an inquiry in any institute, then they can directly approach to you. There won't be any interfere from Trio Teachers side, right? And you can actually get lots of inquiries from students for your particular subjects. That means you can get the job, you can get the part-time inquiry, you can teach part-time, you can teach freelancer, and there won't be any involvement from our side. What is the meaning of involvement? That means we won't charge a single amount from you. Once you have done your registration, then till 1 year we are not going to charge a single penny from teacher, right? So there won't be any commission. We have actually eliminated commission system from the market if you are registered on our platform. Talking about fourth point, that is 1 year subscription plan. That means once you have registered and created your profile and verified profile, that means we won't interfere till 1 year. That means you will get the subscription plan for 1 year. And there is one good news for you. Let's suppose you have registered and created profile on today. That means let's suppose 10th May 2021. But you will get your first job or first inquiry of students on let's suppose 10th June 2021. That means from 10th June 2021 to 10th June 2022, there will be a subscription with you till 1 year. You will be on our platform. That means your profile will be visible on our platform. Any students or any institutes can come and connect with you, Now talking about fifth point, that is no profit, full refund. Once you have registered on our platform, and at that point of time you have created your profile and you are now verified user for us, right? So let's suppose till 1 year, if you won't get any inquiry or you won't get any job opportunity from our platform, at that point of time we will refund your full amount. That means if you are not getting any profit from our side, then we won't charge a single amount from you, right? Correct. Now the sixth and last point is educational support. So what is the meaning of educational support? Let's suppose there is a teacher who have created and registered on our platform, and he or she is a very good teacher, but he or she is not very much familiar with technical aspect in online teaching or any education related help. If they have needed, then definitely will provide. First thing. Second thing, let's suppose if teacher don't have any content, some premium content like test paper and all, we will totally help to the teachers for even content. So this is the major benefit, this is the best benefit which teacher can have. Wherever teacher will stuck, our team will be there for the teacher, right? Talking about price, how much actually price we are charging for creating profile on our platform, because we are the team of around 15 people and mostly we are students who are actually trying to give the best education to each and every child of India. So the price is very simple. For upcoming 3 months we are only charging 1000 rupees for 1 year subscription plan. That means if I will divide 1000 upon 12, because 12 months plan, right? So 1000 divided by 12, that means 83.33 rupees per month. And if I will divide per day, so it would be around 2.73. 1000 divided by 365, it would be around 2.73. That means even less than 3 rupees per day. So this is the price, and each and everyone can go and register. And our team, our technical team is continuously, me and my team is continuously working for the betterment of teachers, students and institutes. So it may be possible, let's suppose some new features will be added on our website, so our registered or verified teachers will definitely get benefited from that. So go and register, right? I'm sure that I have covered each and every point, but still if you have any query or any doubt, then you can directly contact to me and my team. So mail is suraj.trioteachers@gmail.com, and my contact number is 7016373618, right? So if you have any doubt for registration, for uh, creating profile or for anything, you can directly reach to me or you can directly reach to my team. We will definitely help you in that, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you think that we are doing actually something good for the teachers, students and institution, then please do support us. Please go register and create your profile as a teacher and subscribe our channel Trio Teachers. And we are working for day and night. My team is working day and night for you teachers, students and institutes. We want actually every child of India should get quality of education, and for that we are working. So this is our first step towards that, and in coming time we will launch lots of things, lots of technical things to the teachers, students and institutes. Please do support us. Thank you.
Go register and create your profile as a teacher. The link of a video is given in the description where we have explained each and everything step by step. You just need to follow the step. It will not take more than 5 minutes. Just follow the step and you will be registered teacher of Trio Teachers. Thank you.